Seed starting mix versus regular potting soil. What's the difference? In this container, I have a regular potting mix. Regular potting mixes do tend to have some component of either a compost or bark chips. With this kind of mix, it can tend to cover the seeds, preventing them from germinating as they're not getting any light. It can add additional bacteria and pathogens to your soil, which can cause your seedlings to rot at an early stage. In this container, we have a seed starting mix, much lighter in color, much fluffier. It does have a little bit of perlite and vermiculite, but does not have any compost in it. Most seed starting mixes will generally be sterilized. I have 2 trays here. This tray here was planted with the seed starting mix. It's evenly moist throughout. There's no signs of mold or any issues. This other tray you can see not so successful with the germination rate. There's a few sprouts here and there. They're not nearly as vigorous as the other ones. The top of the soil is starting to dry out much more quickly in this, which can cause your seeds to dry out before they have time to establish their roots and can cause them to die off. In conclusion, I do think that the seed starting mix worked a lot better. If you are having issues or have to just use a regular garden soil, you can use a strainer and sift out. That way you can get the smaller pieces and use that to start your seed in. You may not have as much control with moisture and humidity. However, that is an option if you only have garden mix. For any of the products that we used, you can check out the link in the description, and also check us out at gardenersyards.com for more helpful tips, tricks, and articles.